Hey guys, welcome back. I am here in Ahmedabad, a city in Gujarat, and I'm very happy to be visiting the House of MG, a heritage building here in Ahmedabad. It has taken a lot of people, a lot of time, and a lot of love to bring this old building back to its former glory. And as I enter, I get this very warm, welcoming feeling to this beautiful, beautiful place. The warmth of this place welcomes you in, and as you get into the building, you'll see they have tried to restore and tried to keep very old handicrafts and handlooms, and they have this really nice shop which stocks lots of handicrafts from the local artisans, which I think is so amazing. There is a swimming pool right in the middle of the building, and it has got a really stunning lotus design at the bottom of the pool and also on the ceiling of the pool, which is really quite spectacular. We walked around the whole building, and the people here were kind enough to show me around. And one of the things I really liked about this place were these courtyards. You can hear the birds chirping. It's so quiet, and even though this place is right in the middle of the city, it's really calm, quiet, green. Look at that space. If I could just bottle this up and take it back with me to England. Just absolutely amazing. They have tried to retain the glasses, the mirrors, the furniture, everything, the whole feel takes you kind of back into time. I really like that they have tried to upcycle, reuse, repurpose a lot of the things from the old building, and I find that really, really impressive. Also, I love the different tiles all around the building. They have tried to restore the flooring, and through this video, you'll see there are such beautiful, stunning tiles all around this place. Through the spiral staircase, we were taken upstairs to the terrace where we are going to try some food at AGASHIYE restaurant, which is named after the word terrace. And it was beautifully lit. It's a stunning atmosphere, and I am really excited to be trying their very famous thali. Look at the flooring. This is where people usually sit in the peak of the summer indoors in this cool area. And we are right now going to enjoy this weather and sit on the terrace in this beautiful, beautiful, stunning setting. They have a beautiful, massive kitchen in the basement where they have a big team of cooks preparing the amazing food. But on the terrace, you can find a couple of women preparing fresh flatbreads called bhakris, which are really famous Gujarati flatbreads, and they are making them fresh in front of us. So this is the dough, which is really thick and tight, and then they's been rolled around, and then they are cooked in a really nice hot pan. The lady is using a heavy wooden press which helps cook this into nice and crispy bhakris. So we've been told that The meal consists of three courses. We have got some starters here on the table coming up, and like this chaat, the kachori, papaya salad, and then some curry and khaman. And after we finish eating that, we're gonna be served the main meal, followed by some rice and khichdi. So I'm being served a variety of dishes. Just to tell you, this is a very famous thali in Ahmedabad, one of the most famous thalis, and it's pure vegetarian food. And I am super excited to be sitting here and trying this out.
Oh yes, masala paratha. Masala paratha. So masala paratha is not Gujarati.
How there is a variation in Indian bread.
Yeah, exactly. Bhakri, I know. Exactly.
Baji ka rotla, makke ka rotla. ये फाड़ा लापसी it's in sweet without non-dairy.
Including the drinks and accompaniments and side dishes, there's a total of 20 to 25 little things that are served on the thali. There is aloo chaat, there is beans sabji, there is cabbage sabji, there is sweet achar, garlic chutney, green chutney, sweet chutney, there is moong dal, there is tur dal, there is white curry, shrikhand, and all the snacks I mentioned before. There are two sweet dishes which are served with the main meal, and also some bhakri and paratha to go with the food. And here, after the food, we've been served some almond ice cream and a whole tray of mukwas, which is kind of mouth fresheners, and they also are great digestives too. I'm just sitting here with my sister, who's accompanying me for a couple of days here in Gujarat, and I'm taking it all in. We were also shown around this beautiful room in the house of MG, where it's just this whole atmosphere surrounded by these very old handicrafts. There is also this well right in the middle of the room where they harvest rainwater and then use that water to water their plants throughout the year. This is the bedroom, and just look at the flooring, absolutely stunning, and just very cool and calm atmosphere here.
Ceiling height was so high, the heat cannot come.
Amazing. And just like that, we finished the tour of House of MG. There I am. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm just going to take you and show you this wall of utensils, because in olden days there were no shelves in the kitchen, so they would put all the utensils on the wall, so you can see all these very traditional utensils put on the wall. And that is how I am going to wrap up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you very soon. Bye.